Hey there, my name is Jason McCoy, and I'm a digital marketing manager with Antidote 71. So today I'm going to be walking you through HubSpot's SEO tools. There's three that we're going to be discussing. Each of these tools can really help your SEO strategy. So the first one here is HubSpot's keyword tool, where you can get some ideas on what keywords you may want to target, write content around to make sure that you're getting in front of your ideal customer. Our website that we're going to be using as an example is antidote71.com. We're a digital marketing company, so any topics around any digital marketing, different digital marketing platforms, and website design and development are all topics that would be within those that we would want to go after. So, what would be appropriate for your business really just depends on what niche you're in, and what's on your website. So, to get some ideas, you can just click on the add topic, and then you can just put in different keywords that are within your niche that your ideal customer might be searching for, and then HubSpot's going to give you the search volume and also some other recommended topics as well. So, say for example, we wanted to go after website development. You can just add that, and then HubSpot will give you the monthly search volume and how difficult it is. So you can through that process, you can get a really good idea of what keywords you could go after and write content around. The next tool here that we're going to be discussing is the HubSpot SEO Analyzer. This is where you can get a lot of insights on how your website and how your pages are performing. There is a lot of data here that you can sift through, but you can see in this example, it lets you know the total pages, total impressions, clicks, click-through rate, average position. As you scroll down, it gives you a breakdown on each URL as well. In addition, you can use this tool for meta descriptions, page speed, keyword density as well. So among other things, but it just gives you a lot of insights on how your website and your pages are performing. So the last one we're going to be discussing here is another tool to be able to analyze and get some insights. So say for example, this blog that we did a while back and it performed really well for us would be a really good example. But essentially, this tool is going to allow you to optimize every page on your website and do lots of different things, including URL structuring, adding alt tags for images, several other things that you can do to improve your SEO strategy. So as you see here, we can go to the performance tab. We can see how well it is performing. It gives you lots of metrics here that could be useful for insights. And as you scroll down, it breaks down each one of these categories as well. So you can get a pretty good idea of how your blog is performing. In terms of optimizations, you can see here it gives you different recommendations on how we could potentially improve this blog. And you can also go in and look at different search inquiries too and get an understanding of what you're ranking for, what people are searching for, and all that. So it also gives you a breakdown on different internal links as well for some additional insights.
These are just a few of HubSpot's SEO tools. If you'd like to learn more and are ready to take your SEO strategy to the next level, reach out today. Let's get your website ranking higher together. If you like this video and learned something from it, be sure to like, subscribe, and visit our website to access more free resources on HubSpot tips and tricks. See you next time!